Discuss about the types of triangles. Triangles are distinguished on the basis of sides as well as on the basis of angles. So we are going to discuss first on the basis of sides. Equilateral triangle. All sides are of same length and the angles are also same. This means that all the three sides are of same length as well as the angles will also be same if it is an equilateral triangle. This means that side AB, side AC and side BC, all the three are same and angle A, angle B and angle C will also be equal. If they three are equal, it is 60 degree on all the sides. Now, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is just opposite to equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, we had all sides equal, but in scalene triangle, there are no sides that are going to be equal. This means all the three sides are unequal. Now, isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. The angles opposite the equal sides are also equal. Now, what does this mean? It says that the opposite two sides are equal. This means in a triangle you will have two sides, any two sides that are equal and the angles that are opposite to it. This means this one and this one will also be equal. Now, perimeter. In order to find out the perimeter, we need to add all the three sides. You all know that for finding out the perimeter, we just find out the outer surface, that is by adding all the three sides, that is A plus B plus C. So your formula for perimeter becomes A plus B plus C. Now, on the basis of angles, now we are going to describe the types of triangles on the basis of angles. Acute triangle. The word acute, what does it say? That the angle will be less than 90 degree. Just see in this triangle, the middle one, you can see one angle is 45 degree, another is 64 degree and another is 71 degree. You can see that all are less than 90 degree. So, the three acute angles of less than 90 degree, if all the three are having less than 90 degree, then it is an acute triangle. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle, one obtuse angle that is larger than 90 degree. In a triangle, there should be one angle that is greater than 90 degree. That is, you can see here 117, 113 and 118. All the three angles here are greater than 90 degree. Right angle triangle. Right angle itself says it's a 90 degree. This means a triangle should have 190 degree in it, then it will be known as a right angle triangle. Now, the sum of the three interior angles in a triangle will always be equals to 180 degree. This means that angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equals to 180 degree. Let's solve this with the help of example. Suppose I have taken angle B as 30 degree, angle A as 45 degree. We will find out angle C. So let's add up A and B, that is 30 degree plus 45 degree. We get the answer as 75 degree. And now for finding out angle C, it is 180 minus 75, that is 105. So we got the answer as 105, but let's check whether the answer is correct or not. So 105 was angle C, B was 30 degree and A was 45 degree. So let's add it up. So you can see that the sum of all the angles came to be 180 degree.